It's a 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. The way to go is your own way in this rugged SUV. The 200 horsepower turbocharged engine gives you a little extra under the hood, and the 6-speed automatic with sport mode makes for an exciting journey. It includes handy features like keyless access with push-button start, a touchscreen sound system, Bluetooth, and a rear-view camera. Plus, with the split folding rear seats down, you can effortlessly go from hauling people to carrying gear thanks to over 56 cubic feet of cargo space.
Wrap yourself in the comfort of heated seats. It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. The rain-sensing wipers remove rain, snow, or debris automatically.
Be ready for anything in this flexible Volkswagen. Come and see it today.
Visit Pohanka Volkswagen today. Find us by the Car Tower, conveniently located on the Capitol Beltway at exit 13, 1720 Ritchie Station Court in Capitol Heights, Maryland.